What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something for the Jeep. We are going to be putting on a Tuffy license plate bracket. This is going to be a pretty simple installation and definitely won't take that long, but I wanted to go over the whole process just in case you're out there and you're looking to see what this exact model looks like. One reason why I went with Tuffy is because of the brand name. I put a lot of research into what I wanted to get for the license plate holder, and even though it's just holding my license plate, I still want it to do a good job. Tuffy is obviously a very good brand. They know what they're doing over there and they understand how to make a good quality product. I saw a bunch of different reviews on Amazon for all these other products that weren't very good, and that's why I ultimately decided on Tuffy. So let's go ahead and just unpackage this. I already opened it just to make sure everything was there. But the way this basically works is you're gonna mount this part directly to the front bumper of your Jeep, and then you're gonna take this and mount your license plate directly to these two holes right here. Then on the sides, there's little pivot points where the bolts will go in, and when you need to use your winch, it'll lift up like this. So it does include instructions, along with the part list. Exactly what I just described, it shows you right there, and then it shows you how it operates with your winch. Here's the baggie with all the parts in it. And I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it right here and just mount it to the Jeep afterwards. So it says to take your 3.1 bolt and the 3.4 washer on the outside, and then on the inside you take the 3.2 washer and then the 3.3 nut. So as you can see, the 3.1 bolt, the 3.2 washer, the 3.3 nut, and then the 3.4 nylon washer. So first you take your bolt and then the nylon washer, and put those together. And then this will go in here, just like that. Make sure that the part that attaches to the license plate hooks on the outside to the part that attaches to the Jeep, so it looks like this. Then it's pretty simple. You just put the nylon washer on the bolt like this, and stick it straight through the hole. Then take your metal washer and put it on the back end of that bolt. So it looks like that. Then you take the nut and make sure that it's on the flat side and screw this onto the bolt. And the same thing goes for the other side. So the bolt with the nylon washer, then the metal washer, and the nut. Now we'll go ahead and tighten these down. It's just a standard Phillips head on the top, and then an 11mm nut on the back. Even when it's fully tightened, it's still able to move because of the nylon washers on the outside. Now let's go ahead and install the license plate on the bracket itself. So you put the bolt straight through, you put the washer on the back, and then the nut straight on top. And same thing, 11 and a standard Phillips. We mount this to the Jeep using the mounting holes here. I do already have some hardware that I was using before. This is a 13mm bolt with another 13mm nut, and you're just gonna mount it straight to the hole, just like that, and then put the nut on the back and tighten that down. That's what it looks like. You lift it up whenever you need to use your winch. Put it back down. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of winches you have on your Jeep or your truck. I'm currently looking for a winch for my Jeep, and I wanna see what you have. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for another Jeep or 350Z video, and I'll see you in the next one.